For customizing the theme, go to Appearance, then click Customize. Now go to Slider Options. From here, you can enable or disable the slider. You can change the category of the posts to be shown on the slider from here. Then you can change the number of posts for the slider. From here, you can change the slider designs to carousel, grid, or modern carousel. For featured boxes, click on Featured Boxes. From here, you can enable or disable the featured boxes. And you can configure the settings of the featured boxes one by one from here. Now click on Layout Box 1 options. From here, you can enable and disable the Layout Box 1. You can enter the title. You can change the category for the posts to be shown on the Box 1 layout. You can change the See More button text as well from here. Now click on General Options. And you can change the home page post layout to grid, standard, or list layout. Now from the footer settings, you can change the footer copyright text and footer credits from here as well. From the social links, you can change the social media links from here. Moving on to the widgets. Clicking on below slider widget, from where you can add your own newsletter from MailChimp widget. You just need to head on to MailChimp and click on Forms. Then you should enter this code, which is given in the description of this video, and click Save to make the changes, and the newsletter will be shown on the website.